How to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if it says no connection in MetaTrader 5. So without further delay, let's get started. The problem indicates that the problem is with your internet connection or the server itself. For that, first of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. If not, try it with your mobile data as well. If it still does not work, then there might be some problem with the server itself. Also, verify your login credentials. Make sure that you're logging into the correct server for your trading account, and also double check your password, ensuring that you have not made any other typo, especially when copying and pasting. And if that still does not work, if you are connecting any of your VPN, make sure to disconnect or disable the VPN and to see if it resolves your issues or not. If that still does not help you, then try to restart your application. Close off the MetaTrader 5 application, reopen it and check whether the problem is solved or not. If not, make sure that you're using the latest version of the application. To check for the updates, you have to open up Google Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for MetaTrader 5 and make sure that the application is up to date. If that still does not work, and if you have tried all of the steps and still encountering the issue, you can contact your broker support for the assistance. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.